What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, a simple little pool vlog for y'all. So make sure I got like button for me down below. Turn on post notifications. Alright. Don't forget to go shop VolunteerCollection.com, upnextmalyt.com. Link in the description. Make sure I go shop. I'm ready to hop in the pool, man. Yeah, y'all. So I'm swimming with my dreads. It wasn't a good idea. Alright, so my experience with swimming with locks, it's annoying. You didn't see all the water that just flicked on my camera. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta go get a towel. You know what I'm saying? What she made me do. I would get in the water with y'all, but this is waterproof. It's not waterproof. Let me see. My dad said, he was like, yo, you should get an Olympic swimming cap, a professional swimming cap, right? Man, I'm really thinking about getting, one. So that's really like my experience. Like, if I could describe it, like low key annoying. Like but I mean, if I would have like wrapped my hair up, you know what I'm saying, then swim, you feel me? But even when you in the water, you know what I'm saying, like your locks be getting in your face. When you come up, you can't even breathe. You breathing in straight hair. You ain't breathing in nothing else. But nah, so comment a hairstyle for me for when I go swimming next time, and I'm gonna do y'all hairstyles. And comment like any ideas I should have. You feel me? That's gonna keep the locks out my face while I'm swimming, while I'm going crazy. You know what I'm saying? While I'm Michael Phelps and that bit. You know what I'm talking about? I be going crazy. Y'all that see me. Y'all about to see me swim, bro. You feel me? Just sit back, chill. Just a little swim with likes video. Make sure I like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Yeah, tune in, man. Just a little chill, little video for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Late nights. Then Sunday, eat your food too. You feel me? Hey, this what it's like to swim with dreads. Not only did I swim with them, you feel me? I have chlorine in them. So now I gotta wash them. So I'm gonna take y'all on that journey with me to wash them. You feel me? Just give me 1 second to go back to the room. So yeah, for sure, y'all. So if y'all want to see a little lock washing video, whatever I use to lock my, y'all know I still gotta put out these washing videos. Y'all know I still gotta put out these detoxing videos for y'all. You feel me? Because I'm going through the same thing y'all going through. You feel me? That's why on each video it's saying lock journey. You know what I'm saying? I might as well create a Discord chat for everybody who just, you know what I'm saying? Just like a family for my, just a family chat for my subscribers. You know what I'm talking about? Like for the people who really rock with me, for the people who buying the merch. You know what I'm talking about? For the people who going crazy. You feel me? Buying the satin line beanies. You dig what I'm talking about? I want to stay in contact with them people, you know? So for sure, man, I'm gonna have a little Discord going on sooner rather than later. You feel me? But y'all see right here, man, I got the assistance in the shower. You feel me? Getting my locks washed. You dig what I'm talking about? This whole, I'm not about to show y'all the whatever I put. You know what I'm talking about? We're not about to go through all that. Like I said, if y'all want that video, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Comment lock wash video. You feel me? Comment lock detox video. Comment what y'all want, man. This content for y'all. And my DoorDash just got, y'all know we go crazy. My baby bought me some DoorDash. Anyways, man, getting straight back into the content. So that's what it is. Man. This rest of this two little minutes, I'm about to show y'all what she did during the wash video. If y'all want to get into that. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all for this later, bro. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Peace.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. That killed it, look like the garden they eat it. Pillows so bitter, spilling the tea. And Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down there. What they had didn't